Okay, now we are going to cover something called span. Okay, so see, okay, before that we can cover something like, so table has a caption as well. Okay, caption is it is always present at the starting of the table. So suppose I can say my first table. Okay, and if I just run it, so you should actually see a caption. It is already center aligned and all of it. Okay, okay, now we can actually move to something called call span. See, so call span is when we want to actually merge columns, two different columns, three different columns, right? So for that we actually use a call span. Okay, so suppose I want to create something like this. Okay, suppose the name, the contact number. Okay, so in the name I'll add two things: first name, last name, name, basically first name, last name, and the contact number for person one here, for person two here. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. So if you are able to observe, I have actually, this was the actual table, right? First column, second column, and the third column. But for the first row, I've actually merged these two columns, right? So we can actually achieve this using something called call span. Okay, let us just quickly cover. So first of all, I'm just removing all of, let's not remove it, let's start from here. Okay, so again, that there is going to be a tr which is already there, right? In tr we are going to have actually, for first row we are just going to have two columns, right? So the first column is going to be of name, right? And the other column is going to be of contact number, right? But we have observed that the table was initially, it was three columns, right? So if we are merging two columns, we have to write call span here. So I'm indicating here that, okay, merge two columns for this particular name. Are you getting my point? After that, here I can just write down TD as Nishtha, and maybe here Goel. Then the email is going to be abc@gmail.com. Okay. Suppose I'm adding one more row here. So suppose it's Goel, Nish@gmail.com. And if I just run it now here, can you see it? Now the two columns, they have been merged. Please tell me if you have any doubts. Do you understood? Understood, everyone? How we can actually merge two different columns? Please react either yes or no quickly. Can you guys please react? Perfect. Okay. Complete this, then I'll give you a small assignment for the call span. Okay.